Hi guys, my name is Olivia Glowacka and today I'm filming the flatmates tag with my flatmates Francisco Borsoy and Jordan. Wow.
What? I think that's the easiest last name on earth and you forgot it.
I didn't forget it, I just wanted to give like a dramatic pause. He's from Brazil, from Brasilia. He's from Sydney, Australia. We study in Spain in a city near Madrid, and we're full-time students and he's an exchange student, and we've been living together since September, and we've been living together since January. Okay, good. Let me say something about your experience studying and living in Spain.
It's been great. It's been very enriching. I learned a lot.
It's been great. I mean, I'm living life, loving life. Eu falo português agora. Gente, agora eu posso falar em português, mas preciso aprender mais. Eu vivo com Francisco, um brasileiro, e quero aprender mais em português, mas Jordan não pode falar em espanhol ou em português. Muito triste, não, gente? Penso que sim. Today we're doing the flatmates tag. So yeah, let's begin. Okay, number 1. Were you guys friends before you were roommates?
No.
No, we just met on the Facebook group, and then also like we made a Facebook posting later on, second semester, and he responded to it. Number 2, what were your first impressions of each other? Okay, Jordan, you go first.
I thought we both were very like extroverted online, but that's because like Australians kind of act different like on Facebook and Instagram, whereas like clearly like people from IE or like they just like do things differently. Do you know what I mean?
Okay, but like specifically like me, specifically like Francisco.
I thought you were like a little bit like ex-goth.
Yeah, okay. I mean like, weren't we all?
Well,
no.
You more so than others.
I thought you were kind of goth.
Yeah.
I mean, in my Facebook profile picture, I had black hair at the time. I was wearing like really the same lipstick I'm wearing right now and a black dress. So, and I like pose, like I don't smile. So I suppose.
He seemed pretty normal.
Are you saying I wasn't?
No. Like there was nothing abnormal.
Okay, and Francisco? So there's something black in this straight.
You just go.
Okay, what if it's like an ant?
It's fine. It's good for your eyes, you know.
First impression of.
Yeah, that was it. You were goth, and then Jordan was really like party.
Oh, really?
Like a how do you say red of the party something.
Animal.
Party animal.
Not
yeah.
funny.
Oh.
I was like, well, I hope Jordan's nice, because we didn't have okay, we're not gonna say that, but we just thought he was nice. We hoped he was nice. We hoped for the best, and then he was like, oh, do you think it's gonna be good? Oh, good. I'm like, yeah, it'll be okay. Francisco, do you know this? That when like I said that you were going to IE, I sent your profile on Instagram to Annalisa. I was like, this is the hottest guy who's going to IE.
Me?
Yes.
Do you still think that? You have to still think that, please. Yeah, she does.
Sorry, but
Next
IE
one.
100 boys.
She does. It's
I
true.
don't think that there's. Okay. Who does the most amount of house chores?
Me.
Francisco Borsoy.
Yeah, Francisco.
Meu Deus!
Meu Deus! Ai, gente. My hair. Is there any habit that you know annoys your roommate?
Leaving the bathroom light on.
You do that.
Oh,
I don't do that. You do that.
He's saying that it annoys you.
Yeah. Damn.
Yes.
Using at the beginning using your mugs.
Yeah, using her mugs.
That was like a big deal, even though she never told me that it was a big deal until.
My Starbucks mug is like, where is Starbucks from? The US. Where am I from? The US.
When we scream, when
yes,
Jordan.
we scream all the time, and Jordan gets scared. Like Francisco will just be like sitting there and be like, ah, and then I don't like when Jordan says, "Don't worry about it."
Oh, don't worry about it.
Don't worry about it all the time. I don't like Francisco when Francisco gets drunk, because when he gets drunk I have to take care of him and he doesn't want to get into the house. I have to wait outside the door for 5 minutes, and then he's like, should we go in? And I'm like, yes. And he's like, oh, why? And I'm like, because you're going to wake up the neighbor. So, que mais? Nada mais?
No.
Tudo? Who's the messy roommate? We both vote Jordan Brown.
What?
What?
You don't think Jordan Brown's a messy roommate?
No, I think think you're messy.
Maybe Olivia.
Yeah.
We talked about this and you said Jordan is the messiest.
No,
I think Olivia talks a
I
big
don't know who's
game
the
about
best.
being clean, but like, there's been a lot of Uber Eats bags just lying around.
Okay, that's my only mess. Uber Eats bag.
No, but you also have left like dishes around as well.
So have you.
Yeah, but like, doesn't make you cleaner than me. And your room is always a mess.
Yeah, but it's my room and your room is a mess too.
But it's easily, but like I clean it.
So do I.
But like more so than, I clean it more so than you.
I have to go. I'm looking for a new roommate if anyone
Next
wants
one.
to join. Comment below.
But the good thing about you is that you keep the bathroom clean.
Yeah, I mean, like, how can you not be clean? That's disgusting.
Well, like I've had people who can't keep bathrooms clean.
Eka. Okay. If there was anything you could throw out of the house that belongs to the other person, what would it be? Okay. I could go first for Francisco. He has a collection of little dolls.
It's in my room. What does it have to do with you?
It says in the house, little dolls. And people, like, if anyone ever goes to his room, they're like, what is that, Paco? And I'm like, girl, I don't know either. Like, I don't know what these are.
It's called Sonia Angel. Put an image.
Okay, you have to tell me how to spell that later. Oh, I know what it would be for Jordan. It's that jug right there of water. It's a plastic jug, and it's like one of the things.
It's my water bottle.
It's not a water bottle. It's like something that you should drink once and throw it away, and he just refills it. Refills it.
For me, it's, I don't know. Nothing here annoys me. I think.
Not even my suitcase in the middle of
Yeah,
No,
that,
I think it annoys you more than it annoys anyone.
Okay.
those suitcases, yeah.
Okay. And you, Jordan?
I don't think that it's all good.
I would throw away his Kenzo stuff.
Candles?
Kenzo, your Kenzo stuff, because I want to wear it. And I'm jealous.
So what we're throwing away, like achievement.
I don't know. You can read this one.
Have you ever walked in on the other person at the wrong time?
This happened this morning. So I thought
I
thought
know
like
Francisco this.
I thought like drunk me left like lights on, and I thought it was like 3 a.m. Little did I know I came home at 3 a.m. So I get up like only in my undies, go to the bathroom, turn the lights off, and I see you.
But-
and then I just like quickly come back in.
But you were wearing underwear? So
Yeah.
that's fine. I thought maybe you were naked. I didn't
I
see you,
go
but I
into
thought you were
Olivia's
naked.
room and then she's wearing underwear and she's like, I'm naked.
No, but he goes
She's
to my
not
room
naked.
like in his underwear all the time. Why were you afraid? Stop being self-conscious.
I'm not self-conscious. I'm just
I don't
I'm a
care.
bit of a
I
prude.
don't care.
Yeah, okay. I guess I don't care anymore either. Which one of you easily gets frightened?
Frightened? By what?
Afraid.
Olivia
Glowacka.
gets,
I
Olivia
get
gets
scared.
frightened.
I get
It's
really scared.
ridiculous.
No, it's
Yeah,
not.
you can't even watch horror movies.
I can't. But you've never seen me watch a horror movie. I watched a few. Okay, who does most of the cooking? Francisco.
Yeah, Francisco does most
Francisco
like,
does like really good cooking.
Francisco does like cooking with like the basic materials. Like we always buy like pre-made sauces and pesto. Actually, I
No,
just
he
eat
makes
pesto.
things happen, and I'm the worst. And you're like, you know.
She burned
Okay.
something yesterday. I don't know what the
Yes.
heck is
Okay.
it?
First of all, yesterday I burned a Polish food called kiszel, or no, budyń, which is like a custard. And what you had to do, it was in a powder. You just had to boil hot milk, pour it in, pour it in with a bottle, like pour it into a glass of like cold milk, stir it, and then pour that mixture into the hot water, and it would be perfect. It burned for me, and then it was smelling, and it was yellow, and it was like really bad, and I texted Anna. I'm like, my friend Anna, she's Polish. I'm like, hi Anna, do you know how to do this? And she's like, yes. I'm like, can you help me? And she's like, okay, I'll teach you. I'm like, okay, thank you. And it's like the easiest thing in the world, literally, and I don't know how to do it. Who takes the longest to get ready?
You.
Me.
Oh.
Francisco.
Francisco? Okay.
I don't take that long to get ready. I do my makeup in like 3 minutes in the morning.
No, because we share a bathroom though. Like I'm always like having to.
To get ready to uni.
Yeah.
Ah, but then you're always playing like a song and you're always just like.
To uni, I think it's Olivia.
No.
Yeah.
Then what do you mean? Like, where do you get?
Like to go out.
Because you shower. Have you had a shower / bath together? Me and Francisco had a bath. We had a shower party one time. It was a pool party in the shower.
It was a pool party, yeah.
It was really fun.
Mhm.
What did we do? Nothing really.
Yeah, we took a shower.
We just took a shower together.
No, but we had bathing suits.
Yeah,
That's
we had.
It was so random.
Have you ever had to cover up a lie for your roommate?
Have you ever?
For Sabrina, I did.
What?
Oh yeah, she like.
I have to edit that out, but okay. Have you ever pulled a prank on your roommate? If so, what? Yes, Francisco loves pulling like mini pranks And I'm not gonna say what because it's so many things.
No, say at least one. I don't remember.
He just like hides and scares you. He just hides in the kitchen, turns the lights off. You go in. I'm like, oh, I'm so hungry. Like all day, haven't eaten. I'm so hungry. He records the entire thing, and he's like, what? And you're just like, ah. I'm gonna insert a photo of me from that happened.
When I told you there was a cat inside the house, once she was locked in the bathroom, and I was like, Olivia, there's a cat inside the house. And then I go into YouTube and I'm like, cat sound. And then she's like, I hear the cat. And I'm like, I know, the cat is here.
Have you ever had to lie to your roommate about their outfit and said it looked good even though it didn't?
No, when Olivia asked me, I say, no, it's bad.
Yeah.
And then Jordan, he never asked.
Okay, thank you so much. I think all of our outfits are fine, no?
See.
Have you ever worn your roommate's underwear?
No.
No, why?
Why not?
Well, I can tell what's mine and what isn't.
Yeah.
Yes, but I mean, sometimes the laundry ends up in the other person's thing, but then you notice right away. So, like, I can't ever wear boxers.
If I did, I don't know.
No, I mean, yeah.
But I don't think.
But I could never wear like boxers I would see.
You do. You wear boxes.
I don't wear boxers. I never wear boxers.
Like Calvin Klein boxers.
You mean underwear?
Mhm.
Not boxers. It's different. Have you ever stolen something from your roommate? Yes, Jordan steals my mugs, my Starbucks mugs, every single day of my life.
Oh,
I did.
we live in a share house and the mugs are in a share cupboard. If you want to keep the mugs, take them out. We already have a pack though. I have one Starbucks mug.
Of mine.
I have stolen.
Okay, countless things. Olivia's salt,
food.
Olivia's oil, Olivia's tea, Olivia's food dye,
And she still
But she
gets
does
so
it
pissed
too.
about the mugs.
No, but she steals my food too.
Not as much as you steal.
No, you do.
I think at first I was taking like your salt, but then I bought salt for that salt thing. So like it's
Yeah,
okay.
recently.
Yeah.
She stole
Good.
my toilet paper.
I steal the toilet paper. I steal everyone's toilet paper. What is the dumbest thing you have done together?
A bunch of things.
Like what?
Go to Matrix.
Okay, go to Matrix in Berlin. Okay, we have this thing where if we're at the grocery store, he tells me like, go to sleep. And I pretend I'm like going to sleep, or I'm like snoring, I'm like, did I fall asleep? And he's like, yes. I'm like, why did you wake me up? And he's like, I don't know. I'm like, okay. So we do that, which is weird. And then, I guess, I don't know, like, we both got robbed together. Well, not together.
Oh no, you got robbed.
No, he got robbed in Milan when we were in Milan.
Oh.
Like, but he didn't even notice, he got pickpocketed.
True.
Okay, we went to this Christmas, like, it was like a blow up, like
That was dumb.
yeah, in Samsung we waited for this really long line. Navigli. They had this promotional thing, you could wait this long line to get a picture in like this blow up circle, like a snow globe during December. And we waited so long, we went to take a picture and they're supposed to email us and they never emailed us a picture. And I bet you it was a bomb-ass picture and we never got it. Also, what else is dumb? That we didn't go to Gattopardo the last night that we were in Milan. Thank you. Thank you very much. Yes. Rating 1 out of 10. How good are we for your flatmates compared to your... No, because he's lived with like a lot of people. So compared to your other flatmates, how do we compare?
You guys are really good. I'd say like an 8.
Why is
like...
your voice raised like when you're like...
Oh, sorry.
Let me do
you guys are really good. No, you guys are good to live with. Most roommates I live with, like I don't get too close with, but that's because I only live here for a semester. But like you guys are good to live with.
We're close?
Yeah.
I think we're close.
We're close and like we don't like fight too often, so it's nice.
Look, what's your roommate's pet name? What's your roommate's middle name? Which subject your roommate like the most?
Dude, she didn't even know my like last name for like a good 2 seconds.
I did. I wanted to give like a dramatic pause. Okay.
What's your roommate's zodiac sign?
He is a Pisces. And what are you? Oh, I know what he is. He's a Libra. What am I? No, don't say because. Did you know?
A Taurus.
I'm a Taurus.
And Francisco's an Aries.
No, he's a Pisces.
No, Pisces. Sorry.
We're both. We have sun. We both have sun, right? Sun and Aries.
I'm
Sun or
What do you
moon?
mean sun?
Not rising. But
I'm in-
sun.
My sign is my rising
No, not rising.
is
Aries.
Cancer and my moon is in Aries.
Yeah, the moon. I meant moon. Both of our moons in Aries. Who would you say was the best roommate that you lived with? So
No.
why aren't we a 10? Why are we only an 8?
Who is the
Well,
maximum?
I'd give like all my other roommates like a
Oh, yes,
6.
definitely.
Like a 10's like hard to achieve.
So
Like a 10
someone's
would be
got
living
10.
with like a partner.
Has anyone else been an 8?
Yeah, I have a couple of roommates that like are an 8.
Jordan is sleepy.
So he's always sleeping.
I
For this
see.
video, he was like sleeping, and I was like, Dorian! And he was like,
Olivia is sleepy too. I'm not sleepy.
a little. I take naps sometimes. Like yesterday, I took like a 3.5 hour one, but usually I don't take naps.
Olivia takes like 4-hour baths.
She woke up yesterday and she was like, oh, it's the next day. And then she messaged Anna. Oh,
I messaged Anna, I'm like, hello, because like, we were just getting our EA this morning. I messaged her, I'm like, hello.
you have to speak slowly. No one is gonna understand what you're
Okay, I
saying.
messaged Anna in the morning. Like, I woke up at 7:30 after my first nap in the night, and it was like light outside. So I thought it was the morning. Like, well, I guess I have to get dressed to school. I'm gonna text Anna because we're supposed to get our EAs at 9. So I texted her hello, and then she responded like 2 hours later after. Because then I realized that it's not like school time. It's not the next day. Went back to sleep. Woke up at 9:30. She texted me back like hi, and I'm like, sorry, I texted you because I thought it was the morning and I thought we were just gonna get our EAs. So yeah. And EA is like the Spanish resident card. Also, I take really long baths, 4 hours.
I don't know how you still have skin. Like
You don't take
my
baths?
skin would be so dry after taking like a 4-hour bath.
I-
Like in the baths in Budapest, I was in
Takes a
there for
lot of
like
showers.
half an hour, and like I was like,
Honey, if you left me there in the morning, I'd be there until closing.
my
In
God.
Budapest, I think I would be. I should go.
they were good fun. They're expensive though.
But do you pay for like the day, or do you pay?
No, you pay for about 2 hours, so it was about like $60. But I
Wow.
hired a towel and I had to buy
Really?
flip-flops.
$60.
But like I had to hire a towel. and
Like
buy
40
flip-flops.
euros, 30 euros.
Yeah, like 35 euros. 40.
Wow, that's a lot. Guys, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video about the flatmate tag living with a Brazilian, an Australian, and a Polish American girl. Yes, I hope we're interesting, and I hope you have bomb flatmates as well. What are you doing? I just want to know what you're doing. Okay.
Okay.